In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a floor lamp with a worn out tread. Okay, so as you can see here, this tread is worn out. It's the female tread. The male tread still looks okay, so it just goes in, it doesn't screw in anymore, it just comes out. So I'm going to show you how to fix this, and I'm going to be doing this with a hose clamp. This is a 3/4 inch hose clamp. I'm going to be placing the hose clamp over the connection between the top part and the bottom part where both parts connect, and I want to center it. So the center of this hose clamp is going to go over the connection between the two parts to hold the two parts together. Now I want the place where you tighten the hose clamp, the screw, to face this way because the lamp faces this way. So for aesthetic reasons I'm going to have this part face that way. So you attach the clamp like so. So you just push this in like so and hold it in. And as you're holding it in, you start turning the screw, and then it starts to tighten. Make sure you have this at the center. You can actually see through the clamp because you have these openings here, so you can see where the center is. It's right here, so you have to center it. And as you're centering it, you have to tighten to get the best hold of the two parts, to make sure the two parts are tightened. Okay, make sure this is tight. Okay, I'm going to lift it out. It's tight. Okay, so there you go. That is how to fix a floor lamp with a worn tread. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.